Hey everyone, this is Jeremy, and today we're going to do an honest review on the Typhur Fast Nugget Ice Maker. This will make 35 pounds of ice every 24 hours. I took a bunch of photos and videos. Here we go. So unboxing, it's really nice. They do package it well. It comes in a large box, which was in an even larger box. Has a very heavy duty cable. Plug it right into the wall. They pack them really nice like always. They always have those little blue safety tapes. So definitely make sure you get all the safety tapes off the inside, outside, you name it. It has some cleaning kits. This is a picture of the very front LCD with it turned off. Here's all the vents on the side. Make sure you have about 6 inches of clearance. Comes with 8 descaling packs. You're going to use those later on when you use this a lot. Comes with 2 kinds of scoops, a metal one and a plastic one. So that's what they look like in transport. Here's what they look like in person. So they each have a little hole so you can hang them, which is really nice. Here are those 8 packs of the descaling powder. You're going to use that later on. This is the little ice tray. This is where the ice is going to hang out. This is what the inside looks like. If you've ever had a portable ice maker, they're pretty similar. This is the bottom. It's very important. This is the plug. Here's the up close of it. It's probably the best plug I've ever seen, okay? Alright, so here we go. We're going to turn this sucker on. With my big lights, it was hard to see, so I turned off the lights so you can see what does light up. Here's a little video of them in motion. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to add water. We're going to do a cleaning. It says clean it the first time. So I filled it up. I hit the button that says clean, and it's going to do a 7-minute clean, okay? I don't have 7 minutes, so what I did is I took a time-lapse video. So here is 7 minutes sped up super duper fast. It pushes water through it. Now I dumped it out and I restarted it. Now it's making ice, okay? So it makes ice pretty darn quick. This is a look at what it looks like. It looks like your favorite kind of ice that you like in all your soft drinks, things like that. My family's always wanted one of these, so we finally got one. Anyway, this makes really good ice. It makes it really fast. The overall unit's really, really quiet. And here's the final touch. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.